Today we're diving into the exciting world of YouTube Shorts and exploring how you can turn those short, snappy videos into a passive income stream. Stick around as we uncover some creative ideas, including a few faceless concepts, that can help you maximize your earnings. Let's jump right in. Now imagine creating these bite-sized videos and earning from them while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. This is the reality for many creators who have tapped into the immense potential of this platform. YouTube Shorts is on the rise and it's not slowing down anytime soon. Harnessing the power of YouTube Shorts can open a world of possibilities for passive income. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or a newbie, this platform can be a game changer. So, are you ready to jump on board? Stick around to learn how you can start making passive income from YouTube Shorts today. First off, what exactly are YouTube Shorts? Well, imagine being able to communicate an engaging story, show off a quick tutorial, or share a funny moment, all in the span of 60 seconds or less. That's the power of YouTube Shorts. Here are 5 engaging faceless short video ideas. Quick recipe demonstrations. Showcase delicious recipes with a focus on hands-on preparation. Use overhead shots of ingredients being chopped, mixed, and cooked, accompanied by text overlays for instructions. Viewers can follow along easily without needing to see your face. Crafting and DIY projects. Create captivating DIY tutorials for crafting enthusiasts. Demonstrate step-by-step instructions for making various crafts such as paper flowers, homemade candles, or simple woodworking projects. Focus on close-up shots of the crafting process, allowing viewers to replicate the project without seeing your face. Fitness and workout tips. Share quick exercise routines and fitness tips without needing to show your face. Focus on demonstrating different exercises with clear instructions on proper form and technique. Incorporate text overlays to highlight key points and provide motivation for viewers. Life hacks and productivity tips. Offer valuable life hacks and productivity tips to help viewers streamline their daily routines. Showcase clever solutions to common problems or demonstrate efficient workflows for tasks like organizing, cleaning, or time management. Keep the focus on the hands or objects being used, rather than showing your face. Language learning lessons. Create short-sized language learning lessons for beginners. Use visual aids such as flashcards, diagrams, or animated text to teach vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. Incorporate audio narration or subtitles to guide viewers through the lesson without needing to reveal your face. These ideas offer engaging content that viewers can easily follow and replicate, making them perfect for faceless YouTube Shorts. You might be wondering, how do I create a YouTube Short? Well, let's dive right into the process of creating a YouTube Short, a short-sized video that can pack a punch when done right. First and foremost, you'll need a good title. The title of your video is like the headline of a newspaper. It needs to be catchy, intriguing, and it must give viewers a hint of what they're about to watch. It's the first impression, so make it count. Next, we have the thumbnail. This is the small image that viewers see before they click on your video. Think of it as the cover of a book. It should be visually appealing, and like the title, it should give viewers a glimpse of what's inside. You don't need to be a professional designer to create a great thumbnail. There are plenty of free tools out there that can help you create a stunning thumbnail in just a few minutes. Now let's talk about the description. This is where you can provide more information about your video. Be sure to use relevant keywords to help YouTube's algorithm understand what your video is about. But remember, it's not just about pleasing the algorithm. Your description should also be engaging and informative for your viewers. Incorporate relevant hashtags in your shorts descriptions to increase discoverability. Research popular hashtags within your niche and use them strategically to attract viewers interested in similar content. The type of content that works well in this format varies greatly. Quick tutorials, fun facts, or entertaining clips are all excellent choices. Remember, YouTube Shorts are not the place for lengthy, drawn-out content. They're meant to be quick and engaging, so keep your content concise and straight to the point. Embrace trends. Keep an eye on trending topics, challenges, and hashtags within your niche. By hopping on relevant trends early, you can increase your chances of getting featured on the Shorts shelf and reaching a wider audience. Finally, always ensure that your content is original. Always strive to provide value to your viewers. With your YouTube Short created, next up is the all-important step of monetization. You're not just creating YouTube Shorts for fun, right? You want to earn some passive income too. But don't worry, we'll get to that in the next scene. Stay tuned. It's time to talk money. How do you make passive income from YouTube Shorts? You've got your shorts ready, they're engaging, they're fun, they're everything a viewer could want. But how do you translate that into cash? The answer lies in the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program is a scheme that allows creators to earn money from ads on their videos. This is the primary way to monetize YouTube Shorts. When you're part of this program, you allow YouTube to run ads before, during, or after your shorts. Each time a viewer interacts with an ad, you earn a cut of the revenue. So, how do you join the YouTube Partner Program? Well, there are a few requirements. First, you need to live in a country or region where the program is available. Second, you need to have more than 1,000 subscribers and more than 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. You also need to comply with all of YouTube's policies and guidelines. The process of joining is straightforward. You simply go to your YouTube account, click on monetization, and then follow the steps to apply. If you meet all the requirements, you'll be accepted into the program. From there, you can start monetizing your shorts. But remember, the amount of money you make from ads depends on various factors, such as the number of views your shorts get, the type of ads, and the viewer's location. More views mean more potential ad interactions, which translates into higher earnings. So, while creating engaging content is important, you also need to think about how to optimize your shorts for maximum ad revenue. This could mean targeting specific demographics, posting at peak times, or using SEO strategies to get your shorts in front of more viewers. How do you maximize earnings from your YouTube shorts? That's a question many creators ask, and we're here to guide you through it. To monetize your YouTube shorts through brand deals and partnerships, you can leverage your influence and content creation skills to collaborate with brands looking to reach your audience. Here's how you can make money with shorts through brand deals. Identify relevant brands. Research and identify brands that align with your niche and audience demographics. Look for companies that offer products or services that would resonate with your viewers and complement your content. Showcase brand integrations in shorts. Create engaging shorts that feature the brand's products or services in a natural and authentic way. Incorporate the brand's offerings into your content seamlessly, demonstrating how they can add value to your audience's lives. Highlight benefits and features. Showcase the benefits and unique features of the brand's products or services in your shorts. Use visual storytelling techniques to captivate viewers and highlight what makes the brand stand out. Include call to action for engagement. Encourage viewer engagement and interaction with the brand by including a clear call to action in your shorts. Prompt viewers to visit the brand's website, follow their social media profiles, or use specific hashtags related to the brand. Disclose sponsored content ethically. Ensure transparency and authenticity by clearly disclosing any sponsored content or brand partnerships in your shorts. Use YouTube's built-in disclosure tools, or include a verbal disclaimer in your video to maintain trust and transparency with your audience. Create long-term relationships. Foster long-term relationships with brands by delivering high-quality results and exceeding expectations. Consistent performance and positive feedback from your audience can lead to recurring brand partnerships and additional monetization opportunities. By strategically integrating brand deals into your YouTube Shorts content, you can generate revenue while delivering valuable content to your audience. Focus on building authentic relationships with brands and creating compelling shorts that resonate with viewers, ultimately driving engagement and conversions for your brand partners. Beyond ad revenue and sponsorships, explore additional income streams such as affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, and crowdfunding. Utilize your shorts descriptions and end screens to promote products, services, or memberships related to your content. YouTube Shorts offer incredible potential for passive income. Start creating engaging content, leverage monetization features, and explore diverse revenue streams. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your shorts into a sustainable source of passive income. Don't wait. Start monetizing your creativity with YouTube Shorts today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.